Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. How's everyone doing tonight? Welcome back, and if you're new, well, welcome. So today we're going to do an unboxing of 5 beautiful paintings from DP Clubs. So let's check them out. Okay, the first one is called Cute Bear. Just a very adorable bear with lots of these, it's like pink and purple flowers and yellow in the middle. It's just adorable. Look at him. Okay, so this painting, guys, is 30 by 40 centimeters. And where is my measuring tape? There it is. I have to stretch my arms there. Okay, so this one is 25 centimeters by almost 35 centimeters. Okay, this one has 20 colors. And it's $5.79. It's very, very clear, guys. I'm going to bring it up. See that? And there goes the cute bear. Look at that. Is he not adorable? Look at that face. He seems very, very happy. And then, of course, the beautiful flowers. All right. So this one, cute bear. It comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. These are the colors. So as you can see, you have lots of beige and like a light, like it looks like a yellow orange, some brown, some white for the background, and purple and pinks for the flowers. All right. All right, so let's move along. It's a very good price, guys, $5.79. So let's move this one over here for now. All right, the next one. This one is a Gorjuss Doll. It's full round also, but it's just adorable also. This one, they basically call it only Gorjuss Doll, but I'm calling this one Gorjuss Doll with piano keys on her dress. As you can see, she's got like piano keys and then of course some music notes. So this one is a very musical painting. And then I love her purple hair, her little outfit. And I think this is also like piano keys on the top. And she's got purple socks and very cute shoes. And I love the blue greens in the surround the painting, the picture. Okay, and this one is a 30 by 40 centimeters. Oh, that's inches. And this one is 23 centimeters by 30, almost 33 centimeters. Like I said, this one has 21 colors. And this one's also $5.79. All right, I'm going to bring it up so you can see how cute she is. Very, very clear. Look at her purple hair, her beautiful dress with piano keys on it, and her little purple socks. I love it. And her little shoes. Okay, this one also comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. Okay, these are the colors. Let's open some of these. So as you can see, for the other painting, this comes with bags already. These are like resealable bags. You see that? Which is cool. So you don't even have to put them in a container. This one, you actually have to cut out. I think this is the older version. See this? You have to cut them out. And you have to put these in container. You definitely cannot keep them in here. And so then you have like some whites. I love all these blue greens. See that? That's very pretty. Then you have some purples, of course, for her hair. Some browns, some blacks. This must be for the background. And here's some pinks, probably for her face. Her arms, and more purples down here. Okay, and the rest is just grays. Okay, all right. So yeah, this is like the older version. All right, so let's put this one aside. Just love it. Okay, the next one. I don't know if you guys know. You guys know that I love the Gorjuss Dolls. I love mermaids. I love fairies, but I also love trees. I don't know why. Oh, and doors. I love doors. But look at this. Is this not gorgeous, guys? Just love everything about this painting. This one's called Life Tree, and it's also a full round. It's a 30 by 40 centimeters. It's got 21 colors, and this one's $5 also and 79 cents. What I love about this tree is just, oh my gosh, look at the colors on the background, right? It's like blue, greens, all the colors that I like. And the tree is sort of like a little scary. It's like beautiful, but a little it's like a mystery. And it looks like it's windy. And then you've got the moon. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's very, very clear. All right, so let's see. Let's see the true size. 24 centimeters. Almost 34. So 24 by 34 centimeters. And I'll bring it up so you can see. It's very, very clear. Look at that moon. And look at that beautiful tree and the flowers. It looks like, you know what? It looks like the tree is dancing. That's what it looks like. It's gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so this one also comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. These are the colors, and these are the good bags. These are the resealable bags that you could actually, you don't even need containers for this one. But as you can see, it's got blues, grays, lots of blues in this one. So lots of, then you have all these little pinks for the flowers. Just really, really pretty. All right, let's move on to the next one. 2 more to go, guys. Now, of course, I don't know what happened. I usually just order one Gorjuss Doll, but maybe I went Gorjuss Doll crazy that night. All right, so this one's also a full round. And this one, since they call them all Gorjuss Doll, I'm calling this one Relaxing in the Park. All right, it's a 30 by 40 centimeters. It's got 21 colors, actually 22 colors. I'm sorry, 22 colors. And this one's $7.39. It's very, very colorful. Love it. It's very, very bright. And as you can see, it's a little girl, and she's got a cute little purse. And I just love her socks, her dress. I love her beautiful brown hair. And then she's laying on the grass, just relaxing, looking up at the sky. She's surrounded by flowers, and then she's got a book here. So maybe she was reading, and she's taking a little bit of a break and looking up at the sky. Also very, very clear. See her little bag and her little tights and the flowers and the grass. All right, did I measure this one? I did not. Let's see, the true size is 25 centimeters by 35 centimeters. And this one also comes with a tray, wax, and a pen. They all do. Okay, this one I wrote Gorjuss Doll. I just basically write down the number. And I guess we could open this one. Let's see. Sorry about the noise. Okay. So here you have pretty yellow, some blue-green, some blue, some brown, some green, some orange. This is like a mustard color. This is a green. These are all greens, actually. Wow. Well, it is a lot of greenery around here, isn't there? And then gray, more greens, pink, brown. This is like a cocoa or chocolate. And that's that pretty blue green that I like. Maybe that's like a sage. That's pretty blue too. All right. Very pretty colors, guys. All right. It said, yeah, this was $7.39. Okay. And then the last one. This one I absolutely love. This one's called Bluebird on Branch. Is this not the cutest thing? And look at the colors on this, guys. This one is a 40 by 40, but you could actually choose the size you could. It's, I think they offered 30 by 30 and 40 by 40. I decided to pick the 40 by 40. And this one's 22 colors, and it's, look at the colors on this. And the bird, he's so plump. It's like you have lots of blues and greens for the leaves, and of course purple, lots of purple in this one. I love it. All right, so let's see. Let's measure this, the true size. 35, almost 35. So the 35 by 35. Okay, gorgeous. Okay, this one also comes with tray, wax, and a pen. And by the way, this one's $5.39. I don't know if I mentioned it. All right, so here we have, again, these are just the individual resealable bags. So as you can see, you have lots of that pink. It's like a pink coral color. And you have purples, greens, lots of blues, and more purples and blue. And of course, it's like a beige color for the background. All right. So that's about it, guys. So we have, let's go again. This one is the Bluebird on branch. Okay. And this one is $5.39. This one is Gorjuss Doll Relaxing in the Park. And this one is $7.39. This one is Life Tree, $5.79. This one is Gorjuss Doll Piano Keys, $5.79. And the last one, or the first one, Cute Bear, $5.79. Okay, lots of glare, of course. Sorry about that, guys. I apologize. And so 5 beautiful paintings, and I hope you've enjoyed them. I'd like to thank also DP Clubs for allowing us to look at these beautiful paintings and for sharing them with you. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye, and thank you.